Hello and welcome back again in this my channel. Learn Igbo language with Ada Igbo. Learn Igbo language with Ada Igbo. Iburu nwati Igbo sụba asụsụ Igbo Igbo amaka. Iburu nwati Igbo sụba asụsụ Igbo Igbo amaka. I love you and I love Igbo language. In this channel, it is Igbo language simplified. Igbo language simplified. And today I'm going to talk about family relationship part 2. How to relate with your siblings in the home in Igbo language. So sweet. How about that? Part 2. In the previous video, I made how to call your father, your mother, your brother, your sister, your uncle, your auntie. And a brief recap on that before we proceed in what we have today. Father, nna. Father, nna. My father, nnam. My father, nnam. Nne, mother. Mother, nne. Mother, nne. Mother, nne. My mother, nnem. My mother, nnem. Hope you're understanding it. You're beginning to remember what we talked about last time. My brother, nwanne m nwoke. I told you that brother or a male is nwoke. Male bụ nwoke. Female, nwanyị. Female, nwanyị. So nwanne m nwoke, brother. Brother, nwanne m nwoke. Brother, nwanne m nwoke. My brother, nwanne m nwoke. My sister, nwanne m nwanyị. My sister, nwanne m nwanyị. Hope you're following. Eji m n'aka na ị na-esonye m n'asụsụ Igbo. Nwanne m nwanyị, my sister. My sister, nwanne m nwanyị. Hope you're following me. And last time again, I talked about uncle. Remember I said any male is nwoke. Male, nwoke. Female, nwanyị. So, uncle bụ nwanne nna m nwoke. My uncle, that's paternal uncle. Nwanne nna m nwoke. Paternal uncle. Nwanne nna m nwoke. Maternal uncle. Nwanne nna m nwanyị. Nwanne nne m nwoke. My maternal uncle. Nwanne nne m nwoke. Nwanne nne m nwoke. My maternal uncle. Nwanne nne m nwoke. Any male bụ nwoke. Any male, nwoke. Male, nwoke. Male, nwoke. Female, nwanyị. Female, nwanyị. Thank you. I now know you understand Igbo language. Let's do today's lesson. Today, we are continuing family relationship in Igbo language. Family relationship in Igbo language. I know you will follow me and I know you will learn it. After today, you'll begin to communicate in Igbo language in your family. I don't want you to say my father again or dad or mom. No. From today, your dad is Nnam. Dad, Nnam. Dad, Nnam. Mom, Nnem. Mom, Nnem. Mom, Nnem. Mom, Nnem. From today onwards, I don't want you to be calling your mom at home. Family relationship in Igbo language. From today, you'll be calling your mom nnem, your mom nnem, your dad nnam. And when you see your uncle, your maternal uncle, nwanne nnem nwoke, your paternal uncle, nwanne nnam nwoke. Achọrọ m ka isi etu a na-ekwu ya n'ezinụlọ gị, in your family. It's so sweet. Igbo language simplified. Hope you're understanding me. Yeah. Today, how to call a baby or a child. Nwa, baby, nwa, baby, nwa, baby, nwa. Okay, now what's here? Baby, nwa, baby, nwa. Then when you want to call children, children, ụmụaka, children, ụmụaka, children, ụmụaka. When you want to say, these children, stop making noise. Don't say it again. Ụmụaka, unu emezina mkpọtụ. Ụmụaka, unu emezina mkpọtụ. Children, ụmụaka, children, ụmụaka. Okay, now what's here? Then siblings, siblings, ụmụnne, siblings, ụmụnne, siblings, ụmụnne. When you want to talk to somebody about your siblings, speak it in Igbo. Ụmụnne, siblings, ụmụnne, siblings. Ọkwa na adaba, ejib n'aka na ị na-esonye. You are a very good Igbo person, and I know after this lesson, you begin to relate well in the family in Igbo language. Ọkwa ị na-aghọta ya. Ihe ọzọ m ga-ekwu bụ grandmother, grandmother. Nne m ochie, grandmother. Nne m ochie, grandmother. Nne m ochie, grandmother. Nne m ochie. Then grandfather, nna m ochie, grandfather. Nna m ochie, grandfather. Nna m ochie. Ọkwa ị na-aghọta ya? Nna m ochie, nne m ochie. Achọrọ m ka isi etu a na-asụ ya n'Igbo ka ọ wee na-atọ ụtọ. You speak it and it's sweet. Igbo language simplified. I hope you're getting it. Yes. Let's proceed. The next thing is ụmụnne, siblings. Okay, I've said that. Ụmụnne, siblings. Ụmụnne, siblings. Ụmụnne, siblings. Ọkwa na-aba asụsụ Igbo is very sweet. Igbo language is sweet. Igbo language is sweet. Then when you want to say my grandchild, my grandchild, nwa nwa. Remember I told you child is nwa, child, nwa, child, nwa. Then my grandchild, nwa nwa. My grandchild, nwa nwa. My grandchild, nwa nwa. Igbo language simplified. This is where we're going to draw the curtain today in family circle relationship in Igbo language. If you have not subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe. Let's learn Igbo language together. Igbo language is sweet, and I hope you're understanding me. Go through the video over and over again. In the next 24 hours, you'll master how to relate with your siblings, your family circle in Igbo language. Subscribe if you have not. Let's learn Igbo language together. Ask your question in the comment section. I'll be there waiting for you to attend to them. Thank you. Bye. Ndewo.